if you have any questions on how to smoke a cigar like a boss, leave them in a comment below and enjoy this video that will give you instructions on how to walk into a cigar shop or a party and smoke a cigar like you really know what you're doing. And action! Quiet on set! I'm Brian from Privada Cigar Club, and this is how to smoke a cigar like a boss. Okay, so you're walking into a cigar shop, you're intimidated, it's your first time. Maybe it's not your first time. Maybe you've been doing it wrong. Maybe you just don't know what's going on. Well, look, here at Privada Cigar Club, we spend as much attention to detail and care for the post-production process of a cigar, meaning we age it properly, we store it properly, we ship it to you properly. So the final step is on you, and that's how to smoke it properly. Believe it or not, a lot of people who have been smoking cigars for a very long time aren't doing this part right. And it absolutely affects the process and the experience you're going to have. So we're going to go over a quick 3 to 5 minute piece on how to smoke a cigar like a boss, though, okay? And so the first thing you need to be able to do is you need to be able to cut the cigar and handle the cigar right, okay? So we're going to go over here. How should I be handling a cigar? This is right? We're being gentle with it. We're not, going crazy. How to hold a cigar. You can hold a cigar like this. Not really sure how else you could hold it like this, however you're comfortable. Don't do this, though. That's weird, okay? Then we're going to talk about cutting the cigar. Listen, there's a million different cutters out there, but this is the cutter style, the straight cut that you want. And as you can see, can you zoom in on this, Tyler? There's layers here. There's either 2 or 3. It's either a triple cap or a double cap. And the cap is the real cap that matters, is this one that has the line around the top. And I don't even want to cut that off. Do not do this. Do not put a cigar through the cutter. We simply want that little bit of the cap, right? Skull cap. We're just going to scalp this thing. I want to take off as little as possible, exposing the tobaccos underneath. I put it here, and I squeeze. And look at that. How beautiful is that? Is that amazing or what? Okay, and this is how to properly cut a cap. That's that top cap, that top layer of the cap. It's all still there. Okay, now don't get crazy if you cut too much of it off. It is what it is. Okay, we're gonna brush that off. I like to blow on it like that. So I'm gonna cut my thing. I'm gonna take it. Whistle while you work, and I'm going to get this bad boy ready to light. Now, lighting a cigar can be extremely hard to approach. There's a million different ways to do it. The idea here is, first of all, you're using a torch. If you want to learn how to use matches, look up the 3-match method. It's pretty cool. If you're going to use matches, you're being a purist. Great, I love it, but do it the right way, okay? But here's the thing. You got your torch, right? And you have your cigar. This is the foot of the cigar. The cap of the cigar, the foot of the cigar, or the head of the cigar, and the foot of the cigar. The important thing is, at a 45-degree angle, to take a lighter to that and start toasting it. Now, I'm not going to do it here because YouTube policies don't allow me to actually light a cigar. But the two methods are, very quickly, you can toast around that thing, and then as it starts to turn all red, you, just like you would stoke a fire, and you wait until all of that. The whole point is all of this should be red before you start puffing through it. Make sure it's even. It's got to be even. In order to have a perfect cigar smoking experience, you have to start off perfectly with all of the top part of, or the foot of the cigar burning evenly, and you can take it from there. That is how to smoke a cigar by Privada Cigar Club. I am Brian Destin. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Peace.